More tea. Thanks, girl. Oh, it's boiling hot! My bad. I'll cool it off with some of these bad boys. So chill. Catch! Hey! Oh no! What did I do? I need heat. Come on, warm up! I did not see that coming. My turn! That's the stuff. Hey, come on! It's too cold! No, it's too hot! No, stop it! No! Ah, run for cover! Hey, check it out! Look, in here! Isn't she gorgeous? What about me? It's giving Ice Queen! Oh yeah? You hear that? It's ready to hatch! No way! It's getting hot in here, baby! I got you, girl. It's just so sweet! Let's start building, shall we? What about the… fire? I need it red hot, people! Yes! Pretty neat. What if I make it super cool? Snowflake cool, that is. So pretty. Wait, what about all this blank space? I need something. Well, hi there, friend! You came at just the right time. Is that for me? It's the perfect fit! See? Slay away! Thanks, besties! Ooh, look. Nothing says elegant like ice crystals. Yay! Jealous. It's burning up over here. Red hot, baby. I love keeping it spicy. Nice work, though. This floor is lava, people. Just keeping things spicy, no big deal. Aw, love you. Welcome home. It's giving fierceness. And look at this amazing piece. It fits perfectly. Just keeping it hot. There. I'm well read, you know. These flames. Ooh, that's hot. Just the way I like it. Looking for a chair, madame? And a good book? Loves it! Cozy red hot vibes. That's cool and all, but I prefer a nice chill. Wait for it. There! The perfect wall decor. See how it glistens? It'll go perfectly with some chill tunes. Harps always chill me out. So relaxing. And I can't forget some white as snow pillars. That's because they match this ice throne perfectly. Take a seat, queen. You like? Can't forget your crown. Oh, yeah. Seriously? What about the red hot heat? Isn't this fun? Oh! Torchlight, anyone? Perfect for creating a warm ambiance. A very, very warm ambiance, that is. And a big screen, too. It's the perfect living room. Which calls for my perfect snack. Let's get it poppin'. Comfy chairs? Check. Movie night perfection. See what I mean? Woohoo! Make it rain! Well, what do you think? Pretty rad, right? Is it getting hot in here? Hey, come here. What do you think? Oh my! Well done! A date night, huh? I'm more of a chill hang kind of girl. Very chill. Dinner's almost ready. Anybody hungry? Gotta have a place to sit. Yep, it's getting comfy, folks. Milkshake, anyone? Look how teeny! My ice queen's gonna love this! Sweet! And even sweeter, ice blue rock candy. Yep, it really adds something, don't you think? For my four-legged bestie, bon appetit! Enjoy, girl! Pleasure is all mine. Well, loves it! Excuse me, I have more decorating to do. I'm in love! So fun, right? Wait! Ta-da! Can't forget a killer closet. No bedroom's complete without one. And I even have cute clothes to put in it. No way, this bed is sick! Hot yet comfy, right? I'm turning the cozy vibes way up. Isn't it pretty? Who doesn't want a fireplace in their bedroom? Great for sitting back and scrolling. Enjoy, okay? Night-night! Sweet dreams for me. Are you impressed? I find blue hues way more relaxing. This is a bedroom after all. Look at that! And a cloud-like rug, too. Oh, I'm getting sleepy. You? Things are getting snugglier by the second. So soft, like a cloud. Versatile, too. See what I mean? But nothing's more relaxing than this. Bubble bath for the win! More like an ice plunge. I even got her a vanity. She can keep all her essentials here. It's just darling! And we can't forget a little bedside table. Perfect for self-care. I hope you love it, Ice Queen! Yep, soak it all in. Chillingly fabulous. I may not have chill vibes, but it's totes hot. My style is on fire, baby. Alright, enough fire. Can we just chill for a sec? Okay. Not for me. I think it's time to go for a dip. The heat really opens up the pores. Feel the burn. Speaking of burn… Ha! Sit back, relax, and barbecue. It's a summertime must-have. Grilled halibut, anyone? Or some ribeye? Enjoy! La 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 la! Look! It's snowing! Isn't it just beautiful? Perfect for a cold winter night. In fact, why don't we take advantage of the ice? Skate your heart out, girl! So elegant! She's a natural! Something's missing. I know! Yep. Let's bring our worlds together! I'm into it! Wanna sit down with me? Oh, why not? What's a chill day without a friend? And some good eats. You can say that again! Well, cheers to us! Come a little closer. Yep, it's for you. Well, us. I know you like it hot. Aw, you're so sweet. Melted to perfection. Well, you hear that? He's amazing!
Yeah, it's not that big.
Who is this? Of course. He's my
So, okay.
Perfect. Now we have to wait till everyone leaves.
Let's see. Thank you for the sneakers. Thank you very much.
I never let you take this.
Can I have this? I finished with the hairbrush. Here, thank you.
Ew. My nice shirt. It's
Is it new? I'm gonna try it. Ew, it's already dirty.
Stop taking my things. I can't deal with you anymore. Where is my diary?
What? What is this? Loud? You like him too? You got married? How could you?
Luna, stop!
I cannot believe this.
Luna!
Enjoy this.
What have you done? That's it. We're splitting the room. Yes.
Hey, what are you doing?
Now I will have my own space without you. You'll never come into my room again. Oh, they are back. Done. Let's start decorating. Oh.
What are you doing there?
Leave me alone. Let's do this. Perfect.
Wow, how did you do that?
Get out of here. Go to your room.
Why are you doing all that?
You'll see. Now get out of my room. Don't ever come back here. Don't come into my room. I have a date with Chris.
A date with Chris? I'm calling him first.
Chris.
Hi.
Hey, Chris, you wanna come over?
Yeah, I'll be there at 6.
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
My room's gonna be better. I will know your secret.
La 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 la. Huh? Oh, what is that? Huh? Blue eyeshadow? Let's change this.
Savvy!
Oh, the love of my life. He's so cute. What is this noise?
Huh? Am I running out of time? I still have time to finish it.
What is she doing? What is this? What? This is war!
Look who's not allowed in my room.
Is she allowed to do that? I will fix it. Let's find out what she's doing there. She wants a better room, but I won't let her. Oh, she's good. So many stuff. Where did she get them?
Get out of my room! No seawater for you! I'll get you! No lights for you.
Some peace. What's happening? I can see Luna!
She will never come to my room. Let's decorate it. Let's rock this. That's fresh. Need some spice. Perfect. This is all for you. I can't believe it's ready!
Let's fix this. That should do it. Hope I didn't waste a lot of time. 2 hours before my date. My room is a mess. to throw the trash out. Oh,
Last piece. You're gonna regret this.
I'll show you. Not again.
Ew, I need a bath. I have to get rid of it. Very nice cream. Huh? What's the name? Sorry! I need to fix this. I need to remove this. This won't work. Where is it? Oh. I need to fix this. What could help? It's too dangerous. Maybe this. Somebody help me!
Stop being so noisy. Oh, my sketch is ready. Oh my, it's so beautiful.
Perfect. 10 minutes left. Blue to match my personality. And pearls. Aha! Red lips, of course. Chris will love it. Final touch. Oops, he's here.
Just a minute. Ready? Come in.
What's taking them so long?
Hey, Chris.
Hey, Sabi. Where's Luna?
Who? She's sick.
Hey, Chris, let's go. Come in.
Where did Sabi go?
Oh no! You come to my room.
No, mine.
Mine. Mine.
Girls! Chill. Let's have fun together.
Okay.
Wow, really comfortable.
We will be more comfortable in my room.
No. My room.
Girls, don't fight. I brought food.
What?
Yummy, huh?
Sushi?
How dare you!
Would you?
Wait, what?
Don't you ever step in this house again! Best sisters!